The Hawker Hunter T-7 is a single-engine, swept-wing military jet trainer capable of flight close to the speed of sound. At 1:22 in the afternoon on 22nd of August 2015, the aircraft crashed onto the A27 Shoreham bypass while performing at a nearby flying display, fatally injuring 11 road users and bystanders. A further 13 people, including the pilot, sustained other injuries. At the time of the accident, the aircraft was carrying out a manoeuvre involving both a vertical and rolling component. The evidence available to the AAIB indicated that the manoeuvre was intended to be what the pilot described as a bent loop, in which the aircraft pitches up into a loop and then rolls as it approaches a vertical attitude, such that the aircraft will exit the manoeuvre on a different heading to its entry. The pilot's display authorization permitted him to conduct aerobatics at a minimum height of 500 feet above the ground. The normal technique for this manoeuvre was to enter at a speed of at least 350 knots and to apply maximum engine thrust during its upward half, aiming to achieve a height of at least 3,500 feet at its apex. Test flights conducted as part of the AAIB investigation indicated that the aircraft would lose between 2,600 and 2,950 feet to complete the second half of the manoeuvre. On the accident flight, the aircraft entered the manoeuvre north of the aerodrome, around 900 metres from the display line, at a height of approximately 185 feet and at an airspeed of approximately 310 knots. Maximum engine thrust was not maintained during the upward half of the manoeuvre, and the available evidence indicates that the aircraft reached a height of around 2,700 feet and a speed of approximately 105 knots at its apex. The aircraft did not achieve sufficient height for it to complete the manoeuvre before impacting the ground, because the combination of entry speed and engine thrust in the upward half of the manoeuvre was insufficient. The pilot appears not to have recognised that the aircraft was too low to complete the downward half of the manoeuvre,